Hello, my friends. I'm trying an experiment for the first time today. I'm going to be using Artist Loft Ready Mixed Pouring Paints, which I have diluted with Floetrol 50/50, and I'm going to try Dutch pour. I've used them before, diluted, and came up with some nice effects, so I'm thinking that Dutch pour would work well. So let's see. So I've already put down a coat of white, and I've got Phthalo Blue, Gold, and what's this? Aqua Green, my three colors. So let's see. I'm going to just start with it. I think I'll do kind of a Y-shaped thing on this hexagon. So let's try that. Kind of a wavy Y. Why not? And I'll put a little more dark back on there. Okay, I did save some of the white. Try pouring a little bit around. Okay, let's give it a go. The hairdryer set on high and cool. Well, I say it works just fine. I don't think too much of my composition here, but maybe I'll add a little more. Come down this way, why not? Yeah, yeah. I'll do like a puddle here. Easy peasy. Okay. I hope I don't regret what I just did. Here we go. I'm going to stop. I'm not one for blowing out the edges now. I kind of like a hard edge against the negative space. And gosh, I think that's kind of pretty. Super easy. Mix it 50-50 with Floetrol. Makes a great consistency. You end up with these little, you know, lacy cell looking things. I didn't get a great coverage on my pour to begin with. I got impatient and I wasn't thinking it was going to be a keeper anyway, so I better touch it up now. Anyway, yeah, I'm happy with that. That was super quick and easy. So I hope you'll give it a try. I'm going to be doing this again. Let me bring you down for a little closer look. Yeah. I'm very pleased with it. I think it's pretty. There you have it. Give it a go. Let me know what you think. Bye-bye.